Welcome to the Annapolis Boat Show. I propose you to discover the brand new Aura 51. It is the US premiere. So let's have a look. So here you can see the huge volume between the cockpit and the saloon without any limits. And thanks to the large windows, large doors, here galley comes in the cockpit, and it is really convivial because here you can sit around 10 people around that huge table. You have also there a lounge space at the back seating and with the plancha. So here we are in a galley. It is a really specific galley because you know it is in our DNA, the connection between the cockpit and the galley. Here it's really convivial, so people who stay in the cockpit can discuss with the people who stay in the galley and also can discuss with the skipper. Here you have all the storage that you need on that size of boat. If we continue in the saloon, here you have one thing really specific on that boat. It is the two lounge seating, and with that one is really specific because here, of course, it is a relaxing area, but also you can check in bad weather the sails or also the electronics. You can connect your tablet. Here you have the outlet to charge the tablet or the mobile. That boat is a little bit specific due to the layout. It's unique on the market. Here you can have two master cabins. Let's have a look on starboard side, one of these cabins. So here we are on the starboard side in the master cabin, and here you can see the volume of that huge cabin. Here it is a little bit specific on that cabin because here you have two access. One from outside and one from inside, and it's very good for, of course, the connection, but also the airflow, the natural ventilations. So if we continue to visit that huge cabin, here you have a large laundry storage space, and here on that side you have the heads with the separate shower, separate toilets with huge volume for the master cabin. So here we are in the front cabin, a guest cabin. Here totally independent, I mean with a bed. It's 160 per 2 meters, and in the front the heads with separate toilet and shower. So here we are at helm stations. It is our DNA. You know that the helm station is separate in two parts, helm stations, and here you have all the maneuver, the centralized maneuver, everything, all the line arrived here. So here we are in the lounge deck. It is one of the best parts of the boat because you have a huge living space and it's really convivial. You stay connected with the skipper and with all your family or friends, with the sun pads here, the city here, and that table to store cream or bottles, things like that. Have a look in the front. So here we are in the front cockpit. On the 50, it's a space really important, and here you have a long city, and you can transform them in sand beds also. Here just below you have a huge storage where you can store fenders, rope and everything. Don't forget that boat exists also in smart electric version. so I mean hybrid version with electric propulsion. And you're welcome to visit the boat during the Annapolis Boat Show during all this week.